How long do you wait before changing out your rotary blades? Do you wait years and years? Well, stick around because I've got a new product review for you on some rotary blades that I think you're really going to like. I received these titanium rotary cutter blades from Fabric Hut. So we're going to test these out right here. Open this up, pull out this little package. So I'm going to take my blade out of here and then I'm going to add the Fabric Hut blade. Ooh, look at how pretty those are. Titanium, shiny. I'm gonna just slide one of these out carefully. Just slide it over. I'm going to place it back into my rotary cutter, and then just press up that blade to lock it. Dispose of this one. Now it's ready to test. Very pretty. I just like the shine of this. I've got several colors here that I just want to cut into 2.5-inch strips. I'm just going to layer these. Get them even on the edges so I can get the most out of my cuts. This one is just a rando that I also want to cut. I'm also going to layer another piece of fabric on here. Is that right? Yeah. And now I've got this raw edge here that I'm going to straighten, make that cut a clean cut, and I think what I'm going to do is just fold this in half because these are kind of so I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 layers of fabric that I'm going to be cutting through with this titanium ruler, or with this titanium rotary cutter. So let's see how it does. I'm going to trim, let me scoop this up here, trim off this edge so I have a nice clean edge. Bam! Look at how easily that cut through 10 layers. And there are my 2.5-inch strips, very clean cut, clean edges. I'm going to make one more because I need some strip sets for a project. I'm not having to put a ton of pressure on this, maybe a little bit, but there I have all of my strip sets for my next scrappy project, and they all look great. They were cut with the Fabric Hut titanium blades. There's 10 pieces in here, so this is going to last you a long time. I'm going to see how this cuts through a single layer of Minky. It's got such a high pile, very plush. So let's just cut off a section, small section, and see how this does. That cut great. Just remember to do it on the wrong side of your Minky. It might be a little bit more challenging with the bubbles on the right side. Now let's try on a piece of denim. This is a thicker twill kind of denim. I'm just going to cut off a sliver of this denim kind of thicker twill fabric. That came off very cleanly, as you can see. Okay, well, I am sold. I love the way these Fabric Cut titanium rotary blades cut. These are the 45mm. As you can see from my demonstration, they cut like butter through 10 layers of fabric. So I am going to be putting these in my other rotary cutters. And if you would like to get some for yourself, I will include a product link below. Have a great day.